Following up on a previous video I did about one of my favorite tools in my workshop. And strangely enough, it's not a piece of woodworking machinery, but it's a ceiling mounted lift that runs on a 10-foot length of a commercial product called Unistrut, which is a long rail. And I have stainless steel dollies that run in that rail. I'm panning up now to show you, and the winch hangs off those dollies. This is extremely helpful, especially in a single person shop where I need to move large tabletops around and have access to things. This is a project that I'm almost finished with, and the winch allows me to move things very easily and raise it up and down as needed to get to the interior carcass. What I'm doing now is I'm doing the final fitting on these extension pieces that hold the leaf. But this allows me to lift this up, make adjustments, and then gently make adjustments to this and fit the leaf. Then I can slide it over. I could slide it completely out of the way. Work on fittings. Again, I have to cut these little blocks flush. I added some support blocks for these rails. So I can cut these flush now. I can put back my figure eights that I had to take out, which would be very difficult if I had to lift the tabletop, move it somewhere else. So now I can put my figure eights back very easily. And then when I'm ready for final fitting, I can lower the table down, do my final fitting. I want to wax the top. This has 3 coats of my 3-part finish, and then 2 coats of pure tung oil varnish. Take it up to my studio and photograph it, and then do final wrapping. Even when I'm putting this in moving mats to deliver it to a client, having this up in the air, being able to put moving mats on sawhorses and wrap this carefully is invaluable. Here's some more views of the winch and all the mechanisms. I hope this has proved to be very helpful for you. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And always send me some questions in the comments, and I'll include links to the Unistrut and the dollies. Thanks again for watching. Bye.